how to delete a fixed dialing numbers contact on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. On the home screen, open up the phone app. Then tap on the more button. From the pop-up, tap on settings. In the code settings page, we then scroll down and tap on supplementary services. In here, wait for a few seconds and then tap on fixed dialing numbers. After that, tap on the FDN list. Now to delete a contact, first open it, then tap on the more button, and from the pop-up, tap on delete contact. Next, we need to put in the pin to, then tap on OK, and that will allow you to remove it from your FDN list. The same with this one here. I can tap on the more button, tap on delete contact, then put in the pin and tap on OK. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.